the glow of kitchen light, a dance begins. With a rhythm all its own, the whisk spins. Gently tapping on the board, a chopping spree, a culinary ballet, just you and me. Simmering pots, their whispers soft and low, with a melody so sweet, the flavors grow. A sprinkle here, a dash of love in time, each note a taste, a savory sublime. In this chef's serenade we find our groove. With every slice and dice we smoothly move. A canvas made of spice and fresh delight, painting meals in the warm kitchen light. Piano keys, like garlic cloves they blend, with saxophone that sways, it never ends. Each chord and taste, a harmony so fine, creating dishes that just wine and dine and dine. So pour the wine, let's share this feast we've made. With every bite, the notes of music play, a perfect tune for every course we eat. In this jazz kitchen, life's truly sweet. With aprons on, we turn each page of taste. No rush or hurry, nothing goes to waste. A symphony of flavors takes its hold. In this slow-cooked love, stories unfold. In the glow of kitchen light, a dance begins. With a rhythm all its own, the whisk spins. Gently tapping on the board, a chopping spree, a culinary ballet, just you and me. Simmering pots, their whispers soft and low, with a melody so sweet, the flavors grow. A sprinkle here, a dash of love in time, each note a taste, a savory sublime. In this chef's serenade, we find our groove. With every slice and dice we smoothly move. A canvas made of spice and fresh delight, painting meals in a warm kitchen light. Piano keys, like garlic cloves they blend, with saxophone that sways and never ends. Each chord and taste, a harmony so fine, creating dishes that just wine and dine. So pour the wine, let's share this feast we've made. With every bite, the notes of music played, a perfect tune for every course we eat. In this jazz kitchen, life's truly sweet. With aprons on, we turn each page of taste. No rush or hurry, nothing goes to waste. A symphony of flavors takes its hold. In this slow-cooked love, stories unfold. keys, like garlic cloves they blend, with saxophone that sways, it never ends. Each chord and taste, a harmony so fine, creating dishes that just wine and dine. So pour the wine, let's share this feast we've made. With every bite, the notes of music played, a perfect tune for every course we eat. In this jazz kitchen, life's truly sweet. With aprons on, we turn each page of taste. No rush or hurry.